Have you ever seen a sculpture so intricate, so flawlessly detailed, that it seems almost impossible for human hands to have made it? What if I told you that some of the most stunning works of art today aren't carved or chiseled, but are born from code, built layer by layer by a robot? Welcome to the revolutionary world where art meets robotics, and digital dreams are printed into physical reality. We're not talking about the small desktop printers you might have at home. We're diving into the realm of large format and robotic arm 3D printing systems machines that are transforming the very definition of sculpture.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
Imagine a giant robotic arm, moving with surgical precision, extruding materials like advanced polymers, concrete, or even metal powder. It follows a digital blueprint, a 3D model created by an artist on a computer, and brings it to life, one microscopic layer at a time. This is the essence of additive manufacturing, but scaled up to an architectural level. How does it work? It all starts with a digital design. Artists can create forms that would be incredibly difficult or expensive to produce with traditional methods. Once the model is complete, it's sliced into thousands of horizontal layers. This information is then sent to the printer. The robotic arm, guided by complex kinematics, essentially traces each slice, depositing material with millimeter-level accuracy. For concrete, a special mix is extruded, hardening quickly to support the next layer. With polymers, a heated nozzle melts and places the material. For metal, a process called sintering might be used, where a laser fuses metal powder together. This process is a beautiful dance between software, robotics, and material science. Research from leading institutions like MIT is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're developing new material composites that are both lightweight and incredibly strong, and refining the algorithms that control the robots to create even more complex and stable structures. It's not just about making a shape. It's about ensuring the final sculpture is structurally sound, durable, and possesses the aesthetic quality the artist envisioned. This technology allows for unprecedented freedom in artistic expression. Undercuts, hollow interiors, and impossibly thin flowing lines become achievable. What's truly futuristic is that this isn't just for art galleries. The same technology is being explored to 3D print entire houses, custom coral reefs to help restore marine ecosystems, and even components for missions to Mars. The sculptor's new tools are no longer just a hammer and chisel. They're code, data, and robotic precision. We are witnessing the birth of a new artistic movement. One where the line between the artist and the engineer blurs, and the only limit is our imagination. The ability to translate a purely digital thought into a tangible, large-scale object is fundamentally changing our world. So the next time you encounter a breathtaking complex sculpture, take a closer look. It might just be a masterpiece not carved by hand, but printed by a robot. A physical testament to the incredible synergy of art and science. It's a glimpse into a future where creation is only a click away. Thanks for watching. If you were as amazed by this as I am, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science shaping our future. See you in the next one.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.